Hi everyone, today I'm making chicken noodle soup. This video is actually spur of the moment. I wasn't going to record it, then I figured why not. What I have in this pot is a whole chicken carcass that I froze the other night from a roasted chicken that I made, and it still has a lot of meat left on it also. I'm going to bring this to a boil and then let this simmer for at least 30 minutes, and then I'm going to add more chicken. I have 3 boneless chicken thighs that I will throw in here after the 30 minutes or so. So while I'm waiting for my chicken to get done, I chopped up some baby carrots. The amount you want to do is totally up to you. And I'm going to chop up 2 stalks of celery. And I'm also going to chop up a small yellow onion. I also chopped up the leafy part of the celery, which I will throw into the soup later. And I'm also going to chop up a clove of garlic or 2. My chicken is coming to a boil here, and you may see some of this foamy stuff. You'll want to skim that off the top with a spoon and get rid of that. So I'm going to lower the heat and let this simmer for a good 30 minutes. Okay, I just took out the chicken carcass and added my boneless chicken thighs. You absolutely can use bone in if you want, or chicken breast. And don't worry, I will be straining this to get rid of any bones that may have fallen off and any ucky little bits. I'm going to let this simmer for a good 20 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is done. Okay, I have 2 tablespoons of butter melting here. I'm going to saute the celery, onion, and carrots, and I'll add the garlic towards the last. Just added the vegetables and about a teaspoon of dried thyme. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt and pepper and saute this for a good 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, this has been sauteing for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic, and I don't know if I mentioned, I did cut the celery. Okay, I just took out the chicken thighs and turned off the heat. The chicken thighs took 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead now and strain this. So I'm just straining this with this handheld strainer. I'm getting everything out the best that I can instead of trying to pour this into a colander. This pot is really heavy, and I think the safest bet for me is to use this. So I'm going to finish this up and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I got this strained as best as I could. Now I'm going to add some better than bouillon base. Now this part's totally up to you. You can use the powdered or the cube stuff or season it however you like. I'm going to start out with a good 2 tablespoons. I'll probably add more. We'll figure that out later. I'm going to get this all mixed in here. I got the chicken base all mixed in. I am going to add a little bit more water. That was probably just about 2 more cups of water I just added. Now I'm going to get this up to a boil, and then we'll add our vegetables. Okay, my vegetables have been simmering for about 12 minutes. I cranked up the heat just a minute ago. I'm going to add my egg noodles now. I'm using wide egg noodles. You can use whatever you like and the amount you like. I'm going to put 2 cups in. And then I'm going to let these cook until they're done, about 6 or 8 minutes. And then I'll be back. And there you go, everyone. It's done. I tasted this. I did not need to add any more chicken base. Again, that's totally up to you on your taste. Not to brag or anything, but this is the best chicken noodle soup I have made yet. I'm so glad I decided to film it so I would have a reference for myself. Thank you everyone for watching again, and I will see you soon.